Hey, it's Brittany and it's day 3 on the cruise. We're heading up to eat some breakfast right now, so let's go. We went to the fancy breakfast because we're at sea, and Blaine and I got coffees, and Mom and Dad got cappuccinos, which looks awesome. I tasted Dad's and it's really tasty, but the coffee is actually really good too, so good options. All right, I got eggs Benedict. It's salmon eggs Benedict with some hash browns and some loaded potatoes, which look interesting. But yeah, this looks delicious. I love eggs Benedict, so I'm gonna eat it. Okay, so we just got back to the room. After brunch, we went to the art auction, which gave us free champagne, and we learned a lot about art and stuff. I couldn't film in there because of the art, but I won a raffle, and I got like a little cruise pendant thing, like you can put on like a bracelet, and then I won some like little art prints. So that was really cool. It was about 2 hours, so it was pretty long, but it was really cool, like learning about all the art. So I took up a lot of our time. But we just made it back to the room, and we got a new towel animals. I want to show you guys this. We got an elephant. At least I know what it is this time. He's cute though. I really enjoy him. This ship is also moving a ton right now. We are for sure on a cruise ship. Walking down the stairs was interesting. Doing my eyeliner was also very interesting today. Yeah, I was trying to do it fast because we were trying to get to brunch. It looks fine, but I was like, whoa, this is really hard. But yeah, we got a little cute little elephant guy here. I still have the other one, it's over there, but he's really cute. I was like, oh my gosh, we have an elephant. So we're back in the room. I don't know what we're gonna do next. It's like I said, it's our day at sea, so I don't know what we're really gonna do today besides eat. And it's formal night tonight, so we're gonna get kind of dressed up fancy. But yeah, I want to show you guys my cute little elephant we got for our towel animal today. Alrighty, I got a mojito, and Blaine got like a rum drink, and we're just kind of chilling, watching the waves crash by. Beautiful day here at sea, just hanging out. Some music starting over there. Tonight is a formal night, like I said earlier, so we're gonna be dressed up, and then we're gonna go do something really cool after this. We're just waiting for it to start. I'm really excited to see it, so we'll see. But yeah, it's beautiful out there. We're just kind of sitting, chilling, but it's cruise life. Whoop whoop, cheers. All right, it's Build-A-Bear at sea, so all the kiddos get to build a bear. Oh, there's a little pumpkin bear. Stop, this is adorable. I'll show you guys the bears. They have the Carnival on them. Oh, they have like little tiny, that's adorable actually. This is so cute. They have the little Carnival foot. Adorable. Adorable. Look at all the options.
When I say hello, I need a hello back, and my voice is going. All right? Too much partying last night, let me tell you. Hello, sweetheart. Let me tell you, y'all drained me last night for that Halloween party. Well done on the costumes, I must say. Very, very nice on those costumes last night. Y'all looked amazing. All right, some of those costumes, I'm going to buy one in every color. Okay, so now it's time for us to have some fun. Welcome, welcome, welcome to our Build-A-Bear party. All right?
Woo!
Yes, 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 yes. Woo-hoo. Now, as you can see, we have quite an array of things here for you. So we're going to start off firstly. You are going to, firstly, did everyone got a heart when they came in? You all got yourself a heart?
Yay!
Yes, because you need to take the heart, and when you choose your very own friend, the heart needs to go inside of it, all right? We are going to activate the heart. Yes, we're going to activate it. And once we finish and we activate the heart, you will then put the heart inside once you've chosen your friend, all right? Very important. The heart needs to go inside. Then you're going to think. So let's start the process. You are going to come across here first. This is the first step. We have an array of things here for you. Now there's also some on this side. So when you come around, make sure you look and choose appropriately, because when you choose this friend, this is going to be your friend for life. Okay, so choose appropriately. We have the friends here. Once you've chosen the friend, we're going to bring you across here to these machines. They are then going to stuff your friend. So your friend is going to get stuffed. After you do the stuffing of the friend, you come across here, and there's some wonderful attires for your friend, because we cannot have your friend walking around naked, okay? What we don't want for you, we ain't gonna do it for your friend, so make sure. Come around, see what outfits goes back with whatever friend you choose, and then once you've chosen that friend and the outfit, you will come across to this table across here in the corner. Yeah. Now that you have your heart, as I said, just like you have a heartbeat, your friend needs to have a heartbeat as well. So we need to activate it. So I need you to take the heart and I need you to rub it really, really fast inside your palm of your hand. Rub it in your hand. Rub, 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 rub. Hey, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Why, Daddy?
Hold on, wait. We need to make sure it's activated first. Nope, it's not activated. So, we need to try that again. So what I need you all to do, everyone that has a heart, I need you to stand up. Come on, everybody with a heart, stand up.
Woo! Activate your heart.
I like you, yes. You are already standing, yes, there we go. So now I need y'all, we're gonna rub it again, but give yourself a nice bit of a bounce, 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 bounce. Let's activate the heart, activate the heart.
You got it.
Let's see. Aha! The heart is activated. The heart is activated. It is ready to go.
Yeah.
Why, you may ask? And that's because we want your friend to be as smart as you are.
Yeah. Woohoo!
I like that.
Now,
That's cute.
I need you to
Rub it on your head.
Take the heart and rub it on your back. Rub it on the back.
Uh-oh.
Why? No matter what happens, your friend is gonna always have your back. Yes. There we go. Now take the heart, rub it on the knee, rub it on the knee.
On your knee.
I know you would have asked. And that's because no matter what, you'll always have a friend in need.
Ah.
Oh, hold on, there's more. All right, so now you're gonna take the heart and you're gonna rub it on your stomach, which is my favorite. Why, you may ask? That's because that friend is gonna have an absolutely amazing appetite like you do.
Amen.
No. And now, for the final one, take the heart and rub it on the eye, rub it on the eye. Why, you may ask, and that friend, no matter what, will always dry the tears from your eyes. I know.
That's so sweet.
Girl, if you could have done that to people, let me tell you. All right, so right now, everyone, man your positions. I've always wanted to say that.
All right, I'm following these nice ladies along, making their Build-A-Bears for their grandkiddos. Picking our bear.
Whatever that is. Girly. Okay.
A bear? What'd you guys choose? The carnival bear and a little doggy?
Yes.
Adorable. Adorable.
Carnival bear.
Yeah. The one with the carnival stuff. I love it. Perfect. Mwah. Awesome.
Lots of love.
Lots of love. More love, the better.
Okay.
So fun. Right, right. Wouldn't that be a thing?
You keep one of these machines at your house.
Right?
I do a lot of crafts. She does.
I love that.
She makes
Bunch of stuff.
bears. She crochets.
Oh.
And bears and
Oh,
dolls.
fun.
my
Oh, there you go.
They have that, or they have little
A little tutu. That's adorable.
They're so cute.
This is so cute. Little sunglasses too.
Oh
Little
yeah.
sandals, carnival sweaters, the little bathing suits. That a captain, that's so cute for the little kiddos.
Captain Bear.
I love it. Look at you. Look at you.
I'm gonna have to sleep with her tonight.
Give him extra cuddles before you hit him off.
Yeah.
Aww.
Okay, what?
All right, did you get bathing suits?
them the same?
What, do you want to dress them the same?
Do they have another little?
A bathing suit or anything on the other side? There's a hat. There's a cute little hat.
All right, so the once again, no 15. All right, let's go 16, 17, and 18.
Anything on the other side?
16, 17, and 18.
A little swim shirt, it looks like.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute. A little tutu. Oh, it's a little outfit.
That work?
Yeah. Sparkles on sparkles. Oh yeah, that way. That way works perfectly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Adorable. That and the swimsuits.
That or you want, whoops.
Now we need little shoes.
Little sandals. There's some flippy flops down there. Oh no, same thing, same thing. Some little sneakers. Ooh,
Like this? Or the sneakers?
so cute. Oh, those are so sparkly.
Those would be cute.
Those are very cute.
Okay. These sneakers for this one.
Awesome.
Okay, so what do you want for this other one?
I think what you have for that one is cute. Okay.
At the end, you get a little passport.
Name moment stuff.
So cute.
Here's a certificate of birth.
Oh, adorable. So cute. My goodness. This is adorable. For great grandbabies, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Love it. Such a cute thing. Heading out to formal night. I got a dress on. Cute little button up for Blaine. Heading to dinner. Whee! We look nice. For fancy night, I got two appetizers. I got a crab cake and stuffed mushrooms. They look delicious. Fancy, fancy, fancy. Yum, yum, yum. Sweet Caroline is the party song tonight, but I got my filet. So yummy. So I got the same exact dessert I got yesterday, and then Blaine got the souffle. Then Nan got the key lime mousse. Sure.
There's some down there. I don't know. Oh, there
Oh.
it goes. Well,
Nice.
I'll try it.
Is it good?
It's good.
Good.
Oh, you did
What does it taste like? What is it?
like orangey.
Orange, citrusy?
Yeah.
Nice. Yum. I had this last night, so I know it's good. I'm gonna eat it. After dinner, we're gonna see the show. I don't know if I can show you guys much of the show or if any of the show, but maybe I'll try to sneak the camera out and record a few things. But it's a 80s classic rock show, so I'm stoked. show was fantastic. The funniest thing was the guy who sang Bohemian Rhapsody. I don't know if I could put the sound in there because of the copyright laws, but the guy who sang that, I looked at Blaine and I was like, isn't that the guy who checked us in today to the art thing? And then he's the same guy who did our muster drill. What is it?
Muster.
Muster? Okay, I keep saying that wrong apparently. The muster drill, and it was the same guy. So that was cool. I was like, hey! But no, they were all really talented. They hit the notes. The guys for sure hit the notes in the songs, and I was like, can you hit? Yes, you can. So it was really cool. They had pyro, cool lighting, a cool set. The costumes were interesting, but they were awesome. I mean, it was really cool. So I was really impressed by this show. And I know there's one more, I think Saturday, or was it Friday? Friday? Yeah. So I'm excited for that too. But yeah, it was a really good show, really great way to end the night. But yeah, it was super fun. We got there early, so we got really good seats. So hopefully we'll do that again on Friday. But yeah, that's going to end it for us today. It's been such a great day here at sea. Some really cool stuff happened. Build-A-Bear was really awesome to see. Yeah, I just think it was really fun. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye!